Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. When you're ready, click on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then select Edit button next to the Delete one and change wherever you want to. When you're done, select Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my username and password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!